Nasa baseline, mawawalang bola sa kanya, makukuha ng Ebso. Nag-iisa na naman si Corpus and it will be a walk in the park. Halos maglastas doon ng Ebso. Holanda. Wow, Cafe is wide open. Nice pass. Galing dito kay Holanda. Sa 7 ang kalamangan. 1 minute and 30 seconds left. Nakakawala si Holanda doon. What an escape by Holanda.
In favor of FC Eagles, 47-37. In favor of FC Eagles, what a nice move. That was a Hiraya shot.
He has now 26 points itong si Parungao. Pero they're still behind by 9. Makakalusot pa.
Mercado downtown, Tacloban. What a play pass, number 13. What a nice pass.
10-point lead for Eagles. 5.9 seconds. Holanda. Hindi nakita si Cadavis, but Holanda will take it strong to the hoop and he will convert on that layup.
Bumawi yung Ebso. On the goal. Inagawan ni number 5. For the first time in history, lamang na po yung LJD.
He will lose control of the ladder. Recovered by Ebso Eagles. Hand off. Nasa ilalim. Wow. Ito talaga. Itong kagalingan ni Holanda. Nakikita niya yung kanyang mga kasamahan.
Lost the pass number 13.
Pupunta sa kanyang kaliwa. Biglang tumikada ng 3. Pull up 3. No. Magpa-fast break si Holanda. Holanda will score.
Number 1. Listen. Number 1. Take a shot. Hindi umabot. Pinasa sa number 5. Walang umabot. 2 points.
Andito si Asuncion, nag-fake. Asuncion, drop pass. Holanda will lay it in. Wow! Asuncion with that beautiful assist to Holanda.